that is around 55,000 peso a year or 27,000 depending on the brand.
Mr. Chair,
Go ahead, Senator.
excuse me, mabilisan lang po ito,
Yes.
Mr. Go, kasi mahaba naman ang sinasabi mo. Isang tanong lang. Would you deny, okay, wala po akong problema sa inyong negosyo, per se. Legitimate po yung negosyo ninyo. Meron kayong SEC, registration, BIR, FDA, approve yung mga drugs nyo. Wala tayong problema dyan, sir. Ang tanong ko ngayon, would you admit or deny na yung may mga doktor na pasok sa MLM ninyo ay nakakatanggap ng commission, yes or no? You are under oath. I remind you, Mr. Go, ulitin ko yung tanong ko para maging maliwanag. Would you admit or would you deny na yung mga doktor na ng inyong networking ay nakakatanggap ng komisyon coming from your company? Yes or no?
There are two.
No, sir. Yes or no? Yes or no lang po,
I
please.
deny.
You deny. Makukulong ka ngayon. Because meron ako mga cheque na magpapatunay na kayo, yung kumpanya mo, nag-issue sa mga doktor na miyembro ni yari ka ngayon. Kulong ka. You're under oath. Binigyan kita ng chance. I'll give you another chance. Doktor ka?
Yes po.
Okay. Kawawa ka naman, Doc. Ulitin ko. Sure ka, i-deny mo. Meron akong check rate na yung mga doktor na miyembro ng MLM ninyo ay hindi nakakatanggap ng komisyon. You said that's
True po.
okay. I rest my case, Mr. Chair. So mamaya pakilinis lang sa baba.
May tanong lang ako sa ano.
Yung papakulong natin yung mga nagsisinungaling.
The detention.
Ipapadetain natin to si Mr. Go. Dahil
Sure.
under oath, and I will show you proof na siya po ay nagsinungaling.
May tanong lang po ako sa FDA. Lahat ba ng gamot nila ay pakisagot? Lahat ng gamot nila approved by
That is
your
correct.
office?
They have a license to
Ilapit niyo po
operate.
yung bunganga nyo.
Tama po yun, Senator. Have a license to operate and their products are registered.
Lahat dumadaan.
Yes po. At meron pa po silang pending applications for CPR.
Sa PRs, Mr. Cueto, may nakikita ba kayong violation sa Code of Ethics of Physicians dito?
Mr. Chair, if the charges or accusations are true, the RA 2382 contains a provision that violation of the Code of Ethics for the medical profession is one of the grounds for reprimand, suspension, or revocation of license. So all that we need, because we have not done our investigation and we have not gathered enough information regarding the activities of the physicians who may own Belkens, we at this point in time cannot give a categorical answer. But as I said, it will depend on the evidence that will be gathered, Your Honor. So we have enough provisions in the law which will be the basis of decisions of the Board of Medicine. It will be the Board of Medicine which will investigate, Mr. Chair.
To Dr. Abanilla, the Director of Philippine Heart Center, since Luis Raymond is practicing dyan po sa Philippine Heart Center, do you have any knowledge on this MLM or multi-level marketing scheme?
Good morning, Your Honor. As mentioned, Belcans was created 10 years way ahead of my term. No, it has been in existence for 17 years. We at the Philippine Heart Center, as of the current time, we are so overwhelmed with tremendous volume of patients. Our ER are over-congested. It takes time for your patients that you yourselves have referred to us to be admitted. So our focus and attention is on the service and care for this great number of patients that comes to us. And right now we are also spending so much time of creating the 17 heart center satellites all over the country.
Sir, sagot lang po yung tanong ko.
Yeah.
Do you have any knowledge of this?
I have heard hearsays, but I have not really gotten any proof or evidence of what they are doing. I know they are just
Yung
at the
mga gamot
Back Heart
na
Center.
piniprescribe nila, nakakagamot ba o nakakagaling ba sa pasyente? I'm sure narinig niyo.
I cannot speak for that, but if they claim that they are FDA approved, so that means they are in the formulary and they are standard quality drugs.
May naririnig ka ba na nagpe-prescribe exclusively sa kanilang mga produkto? Na mga doctors under Philippine Heart
I
Center?
cannot also say that. But I had some tracking. I instructed our pharmacy to see whether what are the products that are being prescribed. Well, it is not reflected in the.
To Secretary Herbosa, since nag-issue po kayo ng memo to follow ethical standards, narinig nyo na ba itong about before? Since naging undersecretary kayo ng health noon, isa kayo sa National Task Force COVID, narinig nyo na ho ba ito? Yun lang po kayo nag-issue ng memo tungkol sa to follow ethical standards.
Chair, hindi ko po ito narinig before. At narinig ko na lang to nung tayo ay na-question po in our previous hearing. And then may mga nagbigay sa akin ng mga social media messages pointing to the Belcans Pharma, pointing to So nung ko lang nalaman at kaya sabi ko totoo pala yung sinasabi ni Senator Tulfo. So nagtanong din ako sa mga kakilala at meron ding second-hand information sila na totoo daw. So napilitan ako maglabas order to remind all government physicians and also all other physicians about the code of ethics po.
Bumibili ba ng gamot ang DOH sa Belcans?
Ang wala po akong alam kasi ang gamot ng government hospital kailangan nakarehistro sa kailangan ay include
Sino procurement sa DOH dito?
Merong sariling procurement service po ang heart center. So sila po
So,
ang makakaalam
separate.
kung
DOH
hospitals.
hindi bumibili. Since you issued a memo upholding ethical standards, no, addressed to all secretaries, assistant secretaries, directors of bureaus, services, health development, Minister of Health, Bangsamoro, can you guarantee us, no? Kasi importante rito, yung mismo yung opisina nag-issue ng memorandum mismong sumusunod rin po sa ethical standards na ng departamento and sa medical profession. May tanong lang po ako for the record. Sinusunod ba ito ng Department of Health, including yourself, the officials seated beside you?
Opo, Mr. Chair, we will follow these very strict rules. And in fact, the Universal Healthcare Law has created an ethics committee, a bioethics committee of health. So this is the Public Health Ethics Committee prescribed Public Health Ethics Committee prescribed in the Universal Healthcare Law. And this morning, I actually activated the existing members. Third party po sila under the law. May requirement kung sino yung mga member nila at anyone in the Department of Health that will be violating Code of Ethics will have to be addressed in this committee para
So,
order.
wala pong tumatanggap sa opisina ninyo ng incentives, walang tumatanggap ng sasakyan, walang tumatanggap ng any reward, if ever, from biddings.
To my knowledge, wala po. At kung meron po, we will file the necessary cases against this government office. Actually, in the past, 10 years ago, when I was Undersecretary of Health, meron na kaming nakasuhan. After due process, nag-receive siya ng foreign trip without due declaration and disclosure. Siya po ay nakasuhan ng suspension. So meron kaming mga cases at hindi lang isa yon, may number din po. So gumagana naman po ang mga proseso namin sa kagawaran.